Group 52. While reading the New Testament, we see Paul heal the sick, raise the dead, teach a doctrine that was difficult to comprehend. Yet we never see Paul stop and brag about any of his accomplishments. But what we do see is in 1 Corinthians chapter 9. Paul says, I keep my body under subjection, lest by any means after preaching the gospel, I myself would be disqualified. Group 52, I'm sure by now, many of us have a list of answered prayers from God. We've seen miracles and testimonies. And if anyone says, I've seen an angel or an answer from God, you probably have a Me Too story. But yesterday's miracles, yesterday's testimonies, they live and belong in a place called yesterday. Ask yourself, Group 52, what are you doing to make the world a better place? What are you doing to push the good news of Jesus Christ today? Because you cannot survive off yesterday's encounter. So what will you do to encounter God in your today? God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.